Alrighty, so it is December 21st, and I thought I'd update you guys with baby's nursery and stuff. I feel like it's been a while since I've vlogged. But I haven't really done anything for baby. I'm waiting for some things to come in. I have something coming in tomorrow, and then the end of the year I have something coming in, and then I think I might be getting something else mid-January. So the total nursery reveal probably won't be up till the end of January is what I'm thinking. But I will show you what we've got going on. Okay, so as you can see, we've got Elizabeth stuff everywhere. As I'm like sorting, I've got stuff that I want to give to my friends, stuff I want to sell, things like that. But yeah. Also, I think I told you guys this broke, but Richard has found a way to fix it. And yeah. Not really too much to update, just like lots of sorting. I'm hoping this weekend I'll be able to post some more stuff. But yeah, that's it. I'm pretty sure I showed you guys this. My friend got me this. I also have this nursing pillow that I need to just clean. It was in Elizabeth's room under her bed. And then over here, nothing really too much has changed, but this came in the mail yesterday. I wanted something that's a little brother. It's 12 to 18 months. And then I just hung up a sweater to save some room in the drawers. And then that was what my friend got us. But it's a preemie. But I can return it if baby is not a preemie, as long as I keep the tags on and stuff. So that's kind of nice. She didn't mean to go buy it. For whatever reason, they gave it to her like that. And then, yeah, so I also want to put that in the 0 to 3 months. I'm going to put that in the tote bin. And then the other thing I was going to show you, if I can even get over here. But basically anything newborn and 0 to 3 months is in here. And then I think that's the same with this as well. Yeah, this is all 0 to 3 months, and this is all newborn elephants. Well.
Be wrapped around your arms instead of being lonely. We could be gazing at the stars, but now it feels just like I wandered off into a room and closed the door behind me. I never gave the key to you, even though I wanted to. I should be trying something new, but now my body's aching. I'm tired of dwelling in the dark, it's just that my heart can't take it. I didn't know what it would cost me when I let you go. I feel alone, and I'm just singing, It should have been you. Another time, another place, I just know. It could have been you. What a crime and what a shame to let go. Sometimes I just don't know what to do. It should have been you. I could be driving to your place, but now the ground is shaking. Could be a phase, but it feels like it will never go away until we make up. I can't be myself. I never knew how much I needed you. Should have been you. Another time, another place, I just know. It could have been you. What a crime and what a shame to let you go. Sometimes I just don't know what to do, 'cause it should have been you. It should have been you. Wrapped around your arms instead of being lonely. It should have been you. Another time, another place, I just know. You could have been the one who made me feel home. What a crime and what a shame to let go. Ooh, it should have been you. Another time, another place, I just know. You could have been the one who made me feel at home. What a crime and what a shame to let you go. too. It should have been you.
Alrighty, so I've made a little progress, but I feel like not much. But they are on their way home from the park now, so I'm gonna get lunch ready and all that fun stuff. I couldn't really film because I was filming on my phone, and basically I was just taking pictures for stuff to sell. So basically there's stuff over here. Like, I've got my system down, so it probably looks like chaos to some. But for me, it's like an organized mess, if that makes sense. And then at least I have all of Elizabeth's stuff up here. I do want to make another bin for holiday stuff that I will sell like next year, if that makes sense. So, yeah. So there is a method to my madness, even though it may not look like it. So we have stuff we're keeping. This is all seasonal stuff, but I'm going to wait till next year to try to sell it. We have shoes. All this has been posted, things like that. This has all been posted. That is from my friend. And then this is all stuff that I have to sort. But like, they're all in specific bins. So they're already like basically ready to go. I just have to take them out and take pictures.